Hello friends, in today's video, we will look at ways to make your home look expensive without burning a hole in your pockets. Let's dive right in. Number 1. Invest in some statement lighting like modern floor lamps or striking chandeliers which you can't go wrong with. Statement lighting can dramatically elevate the appearance of a home, making it look more sophisticated. Number 2. Express your style with art that holds meaning for you. It doesn't have to be expensive. Don't forget to frame it nicely. Next, choose a focal point like molding, wall trim, or architectural details in place of bare walls. Number 4. Stick to neutrals as your base for a simple way to achieve that luxurious look like curtains, furniture, and paint colors. Then allow pops of color and trends to shine through as they are much easier to change later. Also, instead of the standard white, painting your doors in a different color is a great way to make your home look more luxe. Next up, declutter and make sure to get rid of stuff that you haven't used in a while. Number 6. Use white bed linens that evoke the same luxurious look of a luxury hotel in your home. Number 7. Hanging floor to ceiling window treatments on curtain rods high above and wider than the frame gives the illusion of large windows and makes house look more spacious. Next, run a diffuser with essential oils, etc. to maintain a welcoming scent. Number 9. Use mirrors to reflect light on dark walls opposite from windows. This makes rooms feel bigger and brighter. Number 10. Utilize bins, closets, and cabinets for keeping toys out of sight after playtime. Train your kids to do this themselves, which helps in instilling a sense of responsibility too. Follow the same with other items and return them to their original place after use. Lastly, thrifting for vintage items helps add an aesthetic and luxurious vibe to your space. We hope you found our tips helpful. Don't forget to share with your loved ones and subscribe to our channel. Signing off with lots of love.